So you've been introduced to widgets on the home page, nice little containers to help students navigate and for you to lead your students to the content you want them to see. In this demonstration, we're going to create our own widget, and before we can add it to the home page, we will need to create it. I think what I'd like to do is create a course files, things that students may want to access frequently, such as the syllabus and the calendar and maybe the PCC library website. So before I can add it to my home page, I need to create it. So let's create a wizard. We'll click on Edit Course, and you can click on Widgets. There are some custom widgets on this home page that we first come to in here. They're created by Distance Learning, and you could add them to your home page, the Desire to Learn demo videos. Although it's in the template for content, you could make a quick link on the home page too by adding that widget, or a widget with your picture in it and a short little bio, things like that. You can explore those. The student help desk will list how to contact them, their hours, and things like that that are on the My Home page. But we're here to make our own widget because nothing here suits our needs. So let's click on New Widget, and we'll give it a title. We'll call it Course Files. A description I'm not going to fill in, so we can save that. And this is where we'll be able to create what's going to be in our widget. This is the familiar, or soon will be familiar to you, the HTML editor and creator. Right now it's completely empty, so let's go in and add our content. You can see how small this window is here. This icon, the square with the blue arrows in the corners, if you click on that, it will put the editor full screen, which makes it so much easier to work in. So what we wanted to do was link to our syllabus, say. So the icon for inserting a link is this chain link with the gold asterisk on it. So if we click that, it allows us to pick a category, and we're going to link to a course file. Now we want to add the file, so I will now click on Add File, and I can browse for the file, and I know my syllabus is under the Course Info module, so I'm going to open that folder and select my syllabus, click Select File, and I can see that it's there. And what I'll do is put a caption. The caption will be the text that the student will click on to link to this file. And I'll have the syllabus open in a new window, and I'm going to insert this. So here we have our first link. We'll hit a carriage return and come back and add my next link. It too will be a course file. And now I'm going to search for the file. My calendar is in here as well. I will select it in a new window, include the caption for the link, and click Insert. Now we said possibly we might like to have a link to the library website. I'll click on the link again. So we'll pick a category. This is going to be a URL on the internet. And now that it knows I want a URL, it is going to ask me to type in where I want it to go. You can copy and paste, or you can just type in library. And I think our link caption will be as simple as PCC library. And yes, I do want it to open in a new window. So now that we have our 3 links that we wanted, we can add as many as we'd like. I want to save this, and in this large view there is no save button, so we'll click this icon again, and it'll bring us back to a reasonable size, and here is our save button. So now what we've done is created our widget called Course Files, and it has our 3 links in it. Now that we have this, we can modify our home page and add this widget to it.